In this section, we are going to talk about the draping of flat collar. The flat collar is a popular and useful collar. It may rest relatively flat on the shoulders or have a more decided roll. The collar width and the outer edge may vary for various shapes. Before we start to drape, let's first prepare the muslin. The length of the muslin is 30 centimeters, and the width is also 30 centimeters. Iron the muslin flat. At the left side of muslin, draw a line 2.5 centimeters from the left selvage at the center back of the collar. From the lower edge, measure up collar width plus 1.3 centimeters. Mark as A. Draw a horizontal line 1.3 centimeters above point A. Measure 4 centimeters away from center back on this line and draw a parallel line to the center back line. Then we can get a rectangle on the upper left corner of the muslin. Cut away this rectangle piece. That's all for the preparation of the muslin. Let's start to drape the flat collar. Align A to the back neck point of the dress form. Pin the center back line of the collar to the center back line of the dress form. Smooth the muslin towards shoulder. Clip into neckline edge of the collar so that the muslin lies smoothly over the shoulder and the bust. Keep 1.3 centimeters seam allowance around the neckline. Trim away excess muslin. Take off the muslin from the dress form. Reverse the collar. Pin A to the back neck point. Align the center back line of the collar to the center back of the dress form. Smooth the muslin along the neckline. Pin approximately 4 centimeters along the neckline. Turn the collar down, leaving the desired amount of roll. Pin the center back of the collar. Smooth the muslin towards the shoulder. Smooth the seam allowance of the neckline under the collar. Clip into the muslin at the shoulder. Trim away the excess muslin. And all the parts lie smoothly on the dress form. Pin the front neck point. Take off the bottom of the collar. Turn up the collar. Clip into the extension around the neckline. Pin the collar and the neckline. Don't over-pull the collar. After pinning off the neckline, turn the collar down. Check if all parts are smooth and flat. Adjust the parts which are not. When all of them are smooth and flat, mark along the neckline edge of the collar. Cross mark at front neck point. Cross mark at side neck point. Dot the outer edge of the collar. The outer edge of the collar can be designed as desired shape. It can be pointed, squared, or round. The collar can also be designed as desired width. Take off the muslin after marking. Blend the neckline edge of the collar with smooth and continuous curve. Reverse the collar. Blend the outer edge of the collar with smooth and continuous curve. Please note that the center back. The outer edge line is perpendicular to the center back. Trace the neckline edge to the other side. Add 1.3 cm seam allowance around the neckline edge and the outer edge. Trim away excess muslin. Fold the collar outer edge clean. Fold the 2.5 cm extension at the center back. Pin the collar back on the dress form. Align A to the back neck point. Pin the collar with the bodice at the neckline. Please note that pin direction is parallel to the neckline. The side neck point should also be aligned to the dress form. Then check if all the parts of the collar are flat. The collar should lie smoothly on the shoulder. Check if the neckline is smooth and round. If everything is okay, the draping of the flat collar has been completed.